Tongue diagnosis in the People's Republic of China, 1949 to present. Which event marked the beginning of the modern development of tongue diagnosis in China?
Founding of the People's Republic of China in 1949.
One major effect of government support for TCM after 1949 was
Establish of TCM colleges, hospital, and research institutes.
which aspect of tongue examination was not standardized during the PRC era?
Facial complexion grading.
During the standardization of tongue diagnosis, clinicians were trained to evaluate all except
Tongue microbiome.
expansion of clinical research during the 1970s to 1990s primarily sought to
Scientifically validate traditional diagnostic methods.
which disease category was not a subject of tongue research.
Orthopedic trauma.
A purple tongue is most commonly associated with
Blood stasis.
a purple tongue is most commonly associated with
Blood stasis.
pale tongue color is primarily associated with
Blood or young deficiency.
which technological advancement greatly reduced subjective interpretation of tongue diagnosis.
Digital tongue photography.
Standardized lighting systems were introduced mainly to
Reduce variation caused by lighting conditions.
computerized tongue analysis is capable of evaluating all except
False quality.
modern biomedical studies have explored the relationship between tongue coating changes and
And gastrointestinal microbiota.
AI-assisted tongue diagnosis is primarily intended to
Assist practitioners pattern in differentiation.
one important objective of computerized tongue diagnosis is to improve
Consistency among clinicians.
evidence-based tongue diagnosis research focuses on all except
Astrology-based diagnosis.
which tongue feature is automatically measured by AI systems.
Tongue texture.
During the Cultural Revolution, 1966 to 1976, traditional Chinese medical theories were
Considered remnants of feudal thinking.
following the Cultural Revolution, China experienced
Renewed appreciation for classical TCM theories.
modern tongue diagnosis is routinely combined with
False diagnosis and medical history.
which is considered one of the four diagnostic methods.
Inspection.
Which diagnostic method shares the Chinese pronunciation Wensen?
Listening and smelling and inquiry.
Which statement best reflects the significance of the PRC era?
Tongue diagnosis evolved into a standardized technology-assisted diagnostic method.
Modern China has become the global center for
Tongue diagnosis research, education, and innovation.
which achievement best demonstrates the integration of traditional and modern medicine in tongue diagnosis.
AI-assisted image analysis combined with classical PCM principles.